Today we're going to be talking about why you keep losing money trading Forex, and we're getting started right now. What's going on, guys? My name is Jeffrey Rodriguez and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to trade using technical analysis and price action and all kind of other Forex related stuff, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell icon so you don't miss anything. So I see this all the time in new traders, and the most common reason that they're losing money is due to greed. You want to stay in a trade until it's reached maximum profits, or you've made a ton of money, or you can quit your job and all these crazy things. You have unrealistic expectations. You can't go into the market every single day looking to make the most amount of money. You have to understand that you're going to lose trades sometimes, and you're also going to lose money. So the most important thing for you to realize from watching this video is to understand partial profits. Taking partial profits is one of the most important things you could do as a beginning trader, because this is something that professional traders do. You should be following what professional traders do and not trying to create your own method of trading. So you're not keeping the full position open, and as the market trades into your favor, you're able to move your stop loss up, reducing your risk and also locking in more profit. Another thing that new traders suffer from is they try to put on the biggest position size that they can, max out their account, their leverage, and then if the market moves just a few pips in the opposite direction, they've already blown their account. You can't be trading like that, guys. You have to understand, if you want to make it in this business, then you have to learn how to actually follow rules, and you can't be creating new rules every single time that you're trying to trade. It's just going to cost you more and more money. The quicker you learn from your mistakes, the quicker you'll become profitable in this business. If you guys don't already know how to take partial profits, it's really simple, and I did a full tutorial on it. So whether you trade from your desktop or whether you trade from your phone, I did a tutorial going over it on both devices. So if you want to check that out, just click the little card right above here, and that'll teach you how to take partial profits. That way you can start implementing this into your trading today. I know I'm probably not the first person to tell you this about greed, and you've probably watched multiple other videos of people teaching you about greed and all of that stuff. But what they're failing to mention is the way for you to get rid of your greed is to start taking partial profits. That's going to help you become more consistent over time. Let's go ahead and hop into my computer, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I took partial profits on a trade that I took last night, and why if I didn't, I could have lost money instead of made money. Alright guys, so now we're looking at the charts, and this is GBP USD. This is a 5-minute time frame, just so I could show you guys with a little bit more price action. But I went long right here at this level, and I also added another position right here at this level. Now this is one position, it's not multiple orders, and what I did as the market started pushing up into certain levels, I took partial profits. So you could see right here at this level, I took my first profit right here at this level. That was 45 pips in profit. Took my second take profit here at this level, and third take profit here at this level, pretty much right on the high of the day. So you can see that's one example of this position here that I took early on in the day, closed partial profits throughout. And this was a second position right here that I added on during London session. This was a quick 40 pips in just about a little less than an hour or so. So you guys can see, if I didn't take profits at these levels, the market traded lower and it would have stopped me out. So this was the final position that I had on right here, and it was at break even. It was just 1 pip in profit, and you could see once the market traded to that level, it stopped me out without me losing any money. The key thing to realize is I took 90% of my trade off up here. So the remaining 10% was right here, and I only profited 1 pip. So again, no loss. I was just closed at break even for this. Now imagine if I would have kept the full position on and I would have sat through all this. Once the market got to this level, if I would have closed my position here or had my stop loss here, I would have gave the market back all these pips right here that I caught on this move. So that doesn't make sense for me, so I'm going to take partial profits as the market's trading up into logical levels. So as the market's trading into 20, 30, 40 pips in profit, I'm taking partial profits at each one of those levels. I'm not trying to ride each trade out for 100, 200, 300 pips. I'm locking in the majority of my position once I've already achieved 30 pips on the day. And that's what you should do too, guys. You shouldn't be trying to focus on making 50 to 100 pips every single day. It may be possible, but it's going to be stressful on you, and it's also going to cause you to put a lot more risk than you need to on your account. That's going to be it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.
After this track, I might need me some lozenges. I ain't about to go soft. This rapping shit lately been pissing me off. Guess these words are kinda just at the tip of my tongue, but I'm still young and I hope I find the rhymes that'll live through time before that fat lady has sung. Cause when I'm inside this booth, feels like I rule the world. But I'll hop off my horse, hop in your Porsche, give it a